Hello everyone, this is Vijay. Welcome back to my channel FitStar Fit. Today we're going to do home workout episode 2. The workout will be hypertrophy. So what is hypertrophy actually? So we're going to do today using a 2.5 kg killer workout. So let's start. Hey guys, let me explain to you what is hypertrophy. Hypertrophy is eating a muscle fibers in short period of time. So example, you're taking a dumbbells. So we're going to start the killer dumbbell workouts. So let me explain to you first variation. Hey guys, the first workout will be dumbbell squats. So I'm going to explain to you how to do it, dumbbell squats. So first always picking weight is very challengeable. So people pick like this, it's very wrong. Always use your lower back and legs. So make sure keep your back straight, slowly go down, pick the weights. So you're not supposed to pick up like this because you're going to injure your lower back. So slowly pick up, back straight, get up. So keep your leg little wider, back straight, open your chest, go slowly up. You're going to do 15 counts, 2, 3, 4, slowly, 5, don't lock your legs, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take a break. Yeah, the second workout will be clean and dumbbell press. So we're going to pick the dumbbell, keep back straight. So just keep your leg little closer. So people can do squat like this, but this is going to hurt your knee too much because dumbbell is away. So keep your leg little wider. Keep a dumbbell inside, back straight. So you can do this way also. So this is not going to hurt your knee. Okay. So we're going to do 15 counts. So let's start the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, keep the palm straight, 6, push slowly, 7, 8, don't jerk your neck, keep your neck straight, 8, 9, 10. Take a break. The third workout will be push-up rowing. So I'm going to explain how to do it. Keep your leg little straight, parallel to your body. Little leg, keep your leg wider. If you keep your leg closer, you're going to fall off. Keep your leg wider, you get a balancing. Keep your core tight, don't move. Back straight, slowly, touch your chest and take it back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When you're doing this workout, don't jerk your neck. Keep your back straight always. Fourth workout will be dumbbell clean and front rise. So I'm going to explain to you how to do it. So keep your leg wide, same as before we did. Pick up dumbbell with the back straight. Slowly get up. So I'm going to start the workout. So just follow. So keep your leg wider. Keep your dumbbell hammer position always. Don't keep it this way, like in a pronation grip. This is going to hurt your knee very badly because you're going to start fall forward. Keep it always hammer position. Okay, let's start the workout. So we're going to do 10 counts. Back straight, swing it. This is called clean and swing. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And don't push your hip too much forward. This is going to hurt your spinal cord. So always keep your back straight. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take a break. The fifth workout we're going to do is deadlift. So deadlift is going to help your full body posture. So the first thing we're going to do is pick a dumbbell properly always. So back straight, pick them. So I'm going to explain to you what is the use of deadlift. So always keep your legs straight. So the use of deadlift will be glutes, your retro spine, lumbar spine, your shoulder, neck, to keep your back posture always stronger. So I'm going to explain how to do it. So always keep back arch and take a dumbbell, go straight, stop where your back becomes straight, then go back. So do not go more down. When you go more down, you're going to hunch your back. So this is going to hurt you too much on your neck. So always stop below where your back and back straight. So let's start the count. Okay. So first thing we're going to start with like deadlift. Same. 10 counts. 1, 2, breathe. 3, 4. When you come up, inhale. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The sixth workout will be goblet squats. So this will be, we're going to do 20 counts. So I'm going to explain to you what is the use of the goblet squats, same as which muscle is going to affect you. So let me pick up only one dumbbell, come forward, back strike, pick dumbbells. So same as before I told you, keep your leg always wider from your body. If you keep closer, I'm going to put pressure on my too much my knee. So I'm going to put, it's not good for your knees always. So let me keep my leg wider, keep it back straight. So this workout is going to help you quads, hamstring as well as glutes maximus. Okay, start. 1, 2, 3. So if you go too much down, I'm going to put pressure on my costic spine, which is not good for your back. So always stop where your back becomes straight. If you go more down, it's going to hurt your lower back. Just come up, slowly go down. 4, 5, 6, and do not lock your legs like this. It's very dangerous for your leg, knee. 7, 8, 9, 10. The seventh workout will be dumbbell standing lunges. So I'm going to explain to you how to do it, what is the use of dumbbell lunges. So let me pick up first weight, back side always. So I'm going to show you what width you're going to keep a lunges position. Mostly you guys want to keep lunges this position. This is very wrong for your knee. I can feel already pressure on my knee. So what you're always going to do, take a 1 foot width. This is proper lunges position. So let me going to show you how to do it. So take a lunges position, width first, then take a lunges, back straight, slowly go down, come up. So this will be 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Change your legs. So these dumbbell workouts will be helping you quads, hamstring as well as glutes. But always keep your back straight. Don't put pressure on too much on knee. Example, if I'm going to lunges like this, too much pressure on knee. And once I finish my count, I'm not going to supposed to take back. This is wrong. So keep your back straight. Go down. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The eighth workout will be reverse grip bicep curl. So I'm going to explain to you how to do it and what is the use of the dumbbell curl. So pick dumbbell always back straight. So I'm going to explain to you what is the use of reverse grip bicep curl. Back straight. Take a dumbbell, keep a pronation grip, take it back, down. So this is called reverse grip bicep curl. Curl, leave it down. In this workout, you're going to put pressure too much on your brachialis and same as your brachioradialis also. So back straight. So I'm going to teach you how to do it with little, keep your leg wider. If you're going to stand straight, I'm going to start swinging. So you're going to start swinging. So it's not going to help you properly on the biceps. Keep your leg wider. So this is properly isolated biceps. Back straight. Start 15 counts. Start. 1, 2, 3. Don't touch your legs. 4. Leave slowly. 5, 6. Eccentric should be slow. Contraction should be faster. 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more counts. 5. Leave slowly. 4, 3, 2, and hold 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The ninth workout will be dumbbell toe touch. So this thing we're going to do is 10 counts each legs. So let me explain to you what is the use of and how to do it. So first take a push-up position, but in the push-up position, hold 1 dumbbell, not 2 dumbbells, and keep your back straight always. Don't turn your hip, back straight. So this is for your rectus abdominal, same way as your core strength. This works like a plank. So just watch my steps, back straight. Don't keep your leg closer. Again, you're going to fall off. Keep your leg wide always. Just watch properly. 1, slowly. 2, 3. Don't hold your neck. 4, breathe properly. 5. Change the angle. Same as we did right hand. Keep right push up position. Start doing left leg. 1. Should touch your toe always. 2, 3, 4, 5. The 10th workout will be Superman press. So this will be, I'm going to teach you how to do it. But let me explain what is the use of Superman press. So this will be keep your posture correction same as your lower back, strength and lower back, and this will help you to build a rhomboid same as traps and posture related. Let me explain to you how to do it. So you should lie down, face down, pick a dumbbell, keep a hammer weight, slowly, don't lift your neck too much up, so that will going to have affect your cervical spine. Slowly, 1, 2. So this will going to help you posture deltoid, which is located behind your shoulder body. Slowly, watch me how to do it. 15 counts. 1, 2. Breathe always. 3, 4. When you're pushing, exhale. When you're taking inhale. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Don't touch dumbbell down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, if you like my video, like, comment, share, subscribe. For more updates, press the bell icon.